I'm Kat, and this is my business law textbook. And you know what? It's actually fascinating. And other than being fascinating, it's hilarious! It's got these really awesome examples, and it's designed very well, where it's very precise. It reinforces information, which is really what schools should be doing. And it's really informative. I mean, know your rights, right? The authors start out each chapter with an example, which they then sort of integrate into the chapter, and it's actually pretty suspenseful. Like, I legitimately want to read more. I'm like, oh my god, what happens next? Right now I'm reading about the law concerning like trademark infringement or intellectual property. So this quote says, "On a flight to New York in search of investors, Cooper finds himself sitting next to a man who was watching a movie on his computer. Cooper knows this movie has not been released to DVD yet. Clearly, the man has downloaded it from an illegal website." Cooper slowly crushes the plastic cup in his hand. There's this other part about Tommy Hilfiger, and he's pressing suit for trademark infringement on this company that they develop dog perfume. I'm not really sure what's up with that, but anyway, they are trying to call their product Timmy Holdiger as they play on Tommy Hilfiger, and I think there might have been one called Poochie instead of Gucci. Tommy Hilfiger didn't find it so funny, so he pressed suit, and the court literally told him to chill, and so I looked up this court case because I was curious to know, like, what does that mean? Did they seriously say that? And it literally says, "As the Ninth Circuit recently counseled both parties in a bitterly contested trademark parody case, plaintiff is advised to chill." Yeah, seriously, right, that's totally right. Throughout this book, it's just riddled with really subtle sarcasm, and some of it's not even subtle, so opinionated, totally hilarious. I'm constantly giggling while reading this book. It's really weird. I've never giggled while reading a textbook. I've always maybe cried or, slammed my head against the desk. Anyway, at one point in the book, he makes a note and he writes, "The courts of some states, annoyingly, use the term tenancy at will for what are, in reality, parperiodic tenancies. They do this to bewilder law students and even lawyers, a goal at which they are quite successful." Maybe I'm just a nerd. I don't know. It's totally awesome! And it's hilarious, and fascinating, and informative! Know your rights! Yeah! Thanks for listening!